Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampingup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's project features some brand new products from Stampin' Up. The stamp set we're using is Framed Festive. Now this stamp set is only available while stocks last from the beginning of November. So if you are wanting the stamp set, don't delay, because once it's gone, it is gone. And we also have this wonderful new Framed Florets stamp set and coordinating dies. Now the Framed Florets stamp set and coordinating dies actually are going to be coming out in a catalogue that comes out at the beginning of January, but it's an early release, so you can actually get this one now from the beginning of November. This one's not on limited release because it's in a new catalogue. This one is. So we're actually just going to use this one today, and the dies that go with the Framed Florets dies. These are oval dies. We've been wanting oval dies for so long in Stampin' Up. I love them. Cut out all these gorgeous shapes. We're just going to use this plain one here. Now what's cool about it is that it cuts out the oval, obviously, and it also cuts out the frame. So you can use both pieces separately. You could use a coordinating colour if you wanted to as well. I haven't with this one. I've kept it really simple. And this beautiful paper is also limited release paper. This is the Fitting Florets Designer Series paper. How about this? Night of Navy, Balmy Blue and Polished Pink. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Let me show you how I made this card. It's a really quick and simple one. Let's start with the stamping. I'm going to bring in a piece of the paper here, and I've already got the stamp on a block, so I'm using this one here. May the season be filled with peace and joy. I'm using Polished Pink to coordinate with this paper. It there, and then that's the only stamping for the front, and there's a little bit of stamping for the inside. I'm using the Merry Christmas, so keeping this nice and simple. And I've got a piece of thick basic white cardstock. We'll just stamp that in the same colour, Polished Pink. Go. That's that done. That's all the stamping. So to keep the colours consistent, I've used Night of Navy card base. And I'm going to put, I've already cut a piece of the Designer Series paper. Isn't it beautiful? It's just gorgeous. And that is the same size as the card. So the card front. So let's go ahead and adhere that now. Which way did I put it? That way. Don't really suppose it matters. It doesn't actually matter. That one, and then let's put the inside one in now while we're at it. May as well. Okay. When you're using the darker card base, you really do have to have a plain piece for inside stamping. There we go. Nice and simple. We're going to cut this piece out with the die now, the oval die. Bring in the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. Paste this one in here. Might have got that up a little bit too high stamping wise, I think. Oops. Got my plates around the wrong way. But see how we go. Should be okay. And I did cut that up a little bit high, but it's okay because I don't want to use the edge bit. So normally you'd have that whole oval piece. I just wanted that a little bit higher. That's that done. Bringing in a piece, this is the natural ribbon, and that's also in the mini catalogue. And I have cut a piece out. Let me just see where I put it. There it is. Just going to wrap it together. Staple it. Just saves all the hassle. Alright, so that is going on there with a bit of some tape. Through there, straight onto the card. And dimensionals on the back of this. Oh, and that would be my dog right outside the door, deciding to bark right towards the end of the video. That makes perfect sense. Last but not least, a couple of the matte plastic dots just to finish things off. I'm just going to use the I think it's a stone colour. What is the colours in here? It doesn't actually say. It's not. It's just like Sahara sand. Sorry about the introduction. Sorry about the Chevy barking. He does do that. There we go. And that's all there is to it. Such a cute card, right? Really easy to make using that beautiful fitted Florets Designer Series paper and the Framed and Festive stamp set. I've put a link to the products I've used in the description bar below. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye.